Yeah, we've been trading about 5 years. We started off as a hobby. We've always worked on vehicles, and it just ended up turning into a business, and then we expanded into doing MOT testing and doing more servicing, and then expanded to do clutches, gearboxes, all that type of work. I see a lot of vehicles on the road smoking and stinking, and there's also a lot of bad press about diesels as well, especially. I think it's important to get the best from your engine. So by cleaning it, you're killing two birds with one stone, because you're saving the environment, saving yourself some fuel, and also it's a good form of preventative maintenance by keeping your engine clean and running in good condition. I've been looking for something to do this type of work for probably about the past 5 years. I've had 2 or 3 companies come in. Flex Fuel phoned me, came, did a demonstration of their machine. I was impressed straight away. People are keen to have this done and do notice the results from it. Okay, so this is a typical EGR valve of a 1.9 diesel. I think this has done about 80,000 miles, and this is pretty much what you'd expect to see in most EGR valves. As you can see, the carbon build-up in here and also on the valve there. And this carbon build-up will then obviously restrict airflow, restricts the way that the valve works, and will eventually cause it to fail. So by using the carbon clean, we can remove all of this damaging carbon. The airflow is better. It stops the valve from sticking and therefore prevents you from having to have a new EGR valve. Right, so we're just going to do a carbon clean on this Fabia. Couldn't be easier. The thing I like the most about this machine is how simple it is to use. So basically, remove the clip from the air intake, pull the pipe off, insert the pipe from the carbon machine, pull the pipe back on, and then we're ready to go. Start the engine, make sure it's nice and warm, and then start the machine, and we're good to go. Another option on the Flex Fuel machine is the EGR pilot. So we don't need to use it on this vehicle, but if you've got a particularly problematic vehicle that's clogged, needs DPF clean, etc., and you want to do the full 2-hour clean, it comes with various different plugs, and you can replace the standard EGR plug it into the EGR pilot here, and the machine will cycle the EGR valve open and closed, so that it gets a thorough clean whilst it's actually moving. In case there's any areas, if the flap's closed for instance, it will only clean one side. So if you could toggle it, this will then clean all around that area and make sure that you do a thorough job.